Hey, my name's Sarah and I'm the mom next door. Today we're gonna make pumpkin spice cookies and we're gonna make them really thick and fluffy like Crumbl does. We're gonna make this super easy by using a box cake mix, pumpkin puree, butter, 1 large egg, vanilla extract, and then cream cheese frosting. No shame in your game if you wanna use store-bought frosting, but I will show you how to make it from scratch if that's your jam. First things first, let's preheat that oven to 350 degrees. If you're using your KitchenAid mixer, you'll want to use that flat paddle attachment. The first thing we're going to do is cream the butter until it's light and fluffy. To cream it, we're going to work it up to speed 4 for about 2 minutes. But let's start slow with speed 1 or 2. Now we're going to add in the pumpkin, egg, vanilla, and cinnamon and give it a good mix in with the butter. Next up is the box cake mix. You're going to add this in slowly, and because we want those fluffy cookies, you don't want to overmix it. Line your sheets with some parchment paper. I'm going to use my new scooper so I get perfectly sized cookies. Gently flatten the tops before putting them in the oven. If you're making a more standard size cookie, you could make a lot of cookies out of this batch, and you would only need to bake them about 12 minutes. Because this is for a special event, I did want those giant Crumbl style cookies, so I only made 6 out of this whole recipe. So if you are making those giant style cookies, then you'll want to bake them more like 16 to 18 minutes. Once you finish baking and let the cookies cool completely, they're ready to frost. I like the look of using a piping bag to pipe that frosting nice and thick onto the cookie. If you want to make some homemade frosting to go with these, check out my other video. I've got a cream cheese frosting recipe that's not too sweet. And hey, thank you so much for watching today and joining me in baking cookies for my daughter's Sweet 16.